A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 11, but today we will discuss about chapter number 12, Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. Students, first of all, what is Indian Constitution? The basic principle and law of a nation, states or social group that determine the powers and duty of the government. Okay, power and duty of the government and guarantee certain right to the people in it. Okay, now in next, the basic law or rule of country or organization. Okay, the basic law or rules of a country or organization is called constitution. Decipher the terms word connected with our constitution. Okay, and write them in the space provided. Okay, write them the space provided. Students, you know that the words or terms is given below. Okay, words or terms are given below. According to constitution, our constitution, we will write the words at a particular space, such as first is here sovereignty. Okay, first is sovereignty, second is republic, secular, universal, franchisee, independence, judiciary, fundamental rights. Now directives, principle of state policy, preamble. Okay, these are all terms or words. Write at a particular space. Okay, we will write at a particular space according to constitution. So students, let's see in your book and write the terms or word in a particular space. Let's see students, the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India has some outstanding features which distinguish in it from other constitution around the world. Decipher the terms word connected with our constitution and write them in the space providing. Okay students, this is the space providing. Here is space and here is constitution. The perfect of constitution describe its source, nature, ideology, goals and objective. Okay, the preface of the constitution describing its source. Okay, the preface of constitution describing its source, nature, ideology, goals and objectives. Okay, so you will write here preamble. Okay students, you will write here preamble. Okay, now second is the instruction or directives from the constitution. The instructions or directives from the constitution to the state and government, aiming at building at welfare states. So you will write here directive principle of state policy. Okay, directive principle of state policy. Okay students, you will write here directive principle of state policy. Now third is right guarantee to the citizens rights guaranteed to the citizens by the constitution. Okay, you will write here fundamental right. Okay, the word is here, term is fundamental right. Okay, now next fourth is here, independent and impartial body with the Supreme Court at the apex of hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy. Here the term is independent judiciary. Okay, independent judiciary. Okay, now fifth is any citizen who has completed 18 years of age is eligible to vote in general elections except those who are disqualified because of the law of their country. Because of the law of their country. Listen be carefully. Any citizen who has completed 18 years of age is eligible to vote in general elections except those who are disqualified because of the law of their country. This is called universal franchise. Okay, universal franchise. Okay, now 6 is India is a country. India is a country of several religions, and each individual can prefer any religion he she likes. Okay, India has no state religion. India has no state religion. It does not patronize any religion nor discriminates against any religion. Okay, you will write here secular. Okay, you will write here secular. Term is secular here. Now 7th is here, the head of country is elected by the people is called republic. Okay, you will write here republic. Okay students, now last one is the country manages its internal and external affair freely without any external force. That is called sovereignty. Okay, it is called sovereignty. You will write here sovereignty. So students, first is preamble, second is directive principle of state policy, fundamental rights, independence judiciary, universal franchises, now secular, republic and sovereignty. Okay students, in next video we will discuss about chapter number 13. Okay, thank you, very thank you.